Hi, Topper Chef here. Welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to make Akuri on toast. This is a classic breakfast dish which a lot of people used to order for breakfast in the hotel I used to work at. So for this we're going to use 2 eggs which I'm beating very vigorously, and you got to beat it really good for this thing. Okay, so this is like an Indian scramble. Okay, so for this we're gonna use some oil and finely chopped onions. Here's my finely chopped onions. And when you see this at the end, it looks like caviar. And that's the whole thing which I like about this, and people used to call it egg caviar, and you will also like this recipe. Okay, so now you got to cook this onion really well. Why? On high heat. The reason is onions tend to leave water, so you want to cook that with this now. And this is the only seasoning which will go into it, turmeric. As you can see, the turmeric will absorb all the water into it. And there you go. And you can add more turmeric if you like. Okay. So let's cook this on high heat. I can smell the aroma of turmeric cooking. So now to this we're going to add some salt, a pinch of salt. Okay, and now my beaten eggs. Now you got to scramble this all together real fast so that eggs will get coated on the onions a lot. Scramble it vigorously. Okay, so now this is scrambled vigorously very well. Some cilantro to it, and voila, it's ready. Serve it over toast. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Now we're going to taste our Akuri on toast. This is a classic recipe which we used to serve at our hotel. You have to taste the onion and the turmeric on it, okay? And that's what I taste. It's really nice. You got to try this recipe. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the Topper Chef channel. Like us on Facebook, and all our recipes also are on Pinterest. Happy cooking!